Hello and welcome to Green World Group's channel. Once again, I am Shanker, Sreekumar with you, and we are so glad to have you with us today. In this video, we will be discussing on an important topic, which is NEBOSH IDip professional discussion. We are going to break down what the NEBOSH International Diploma professional discussion is all about. So whether you are just getting started or about to attend your discussion, this guide will help you understand each step clearly and confidentially. So before we dive into the content, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video and click the bell icon so you will be notified whenever we upload a new content. Remember, we have plenty of valuable resources coming your way to help you with your health and safety journey. So let's get started. What's this professional discussion? Professional discussion is a mandatory part of your NEBOSH diploma assessment. It's not an exam, but more like a structured interview. You will be speaking with a qualified health and safety professional from your learning partner. So this session usually lasts about 40 to 45 minutes and you will be asked at least 5 main questions. It's your chance to talk about your understanding and your experience and how you applied your knowledge in your final assessment. So now let's look into some of the key features of this professional discussion. Now, this discussion applies to all 3 NEBOSH IDip units. That's your DI1, DI2 and DI3. And the good news is you are allowed to refer to your final assessment paper during this conversation. However, keep in mind that NEBOSH wants to ensure fairness and quality, so your discussion might be observed randomly by someone from their quality assurance team. And yes, all discussions are recorded and submitted to NEBOSH for their final review as and when required. So it's important to treat this discussion professionally. Now comes getting prepared for the interview. First, you must have already submitted your exam paper before attending the discussion. Your professional discussion, date and time would be confirmed by your course provider. On the day of professional discussion, choose a quiet, enclosed room free from any background noise or interruptions. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and that your device, whether it's a laptop, mobile or a tablet, is working properly and do have a working camera. Then you will also need to keep an original photo ID ready, and this could be your passport, your driving license or even your national ID card. Remember, photocopies are not allowed. So these checks will help you maintain the credibility of the entire discussion process. Now, so what actually happens during this particular discussion? I'll take you down through that. It begins with a quick introduction. You will meet the interviewer and they will explain the purpose of this session. You will be also asked to show your ID card, which I have explained above, and then do a 360-degree scan of your room using your camera, and it's just to make sure you are alone and not getting any kind of external help. So as I said earlier, you can refer to your assessments while speaking, but you cannot use any kind of notes or receive any kind of outside assistance. It's meant to be a genuine reflection of your own understanding, and that doesn't mean that you can simply read from your assessment completely. So now the important question is that what if I miss a session, or what if I don't attend an interview? See, NEBOSH understands that emergencies do happen, so they allow up to 3 chances to attend the same. However, missing without a valid reason can be treated as a breach of their assessment policy. If you have a genuine emergency, say a medical issue, or you will need to provide a supporting evidence. But remember, your result won't be released until you have completed the professional discussion. So it's essential to take this seriously and show up on time. So that's all. Thank you for watching, and I do hope this walkthrough has made the NEBOSH IDip professional discussion process a lot clearer. Remember, it's not about catching you out. It's about giving you the opportunity to demonstrate what you have learned and how you apply it in real world situations. So that's all for today. Wishing you all the best, and remember always the golden words, as I say this in every of my video. Absolutely no malpractice on your exams, in any of your exams. And finally, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Take care. Bye-bye.